Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I completed this pretty raspberry champagne look. It's perfect for Valentine's Day if you're gonna go out on a date or go out with your friends, whatever you're gonna do. This look is perfect for that. If you guys want to see how I completed this look, then just keep watching. So to start out, in my last video, which sorry, that was like 2 weeks ago, maybe 3, but I'm back again. So on my last video, someone asked me if I could go into more detail about primers and brushes. So just to start out, I just wanted to mention that just like everybody always says, oh, what you need to do to have a good makeup look is always start out with your skin, taking care of your skin. And I used to hear, you know, people say that, and I just kind of didn't really listen to it. But now, like, for the last year or two, I've actually been trying to take more good care of my skin and actually, you know, wash my face every day using serums, moisturizers, so my face gets really dry in the winter. So, and now that I'm 30, like I said, serums, I just use any serum that I have and I just put it in my, like where I get little wrinkles, right here, my eyes, right here by my nose, my smile lines, under my chin. But anyway, so I just wanted to share something that's a pretty good deal if you guys want to start a skincare routine or just get some skincare products if you're new to it. I know it's hard when you're watching beauty gurus and it's like, not, you know, it's good that they're getting paid, that's their job, obviously, you know, get your money, but you never really know if it's like, does that really work, or are they just saying that because they're getting paid? So here I am, unsponsored, obviously, and I'm actually recommending this to you guys. It's actually worth the money, even if you buy the full-size products, it's worth it. But let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So for Christmas, one thing I asked for was, it was called the Superstars Origins Bestsellers Kit, I guess. And for some reason I couldn't find the one that I actually have online, but I found one that's pretty close. So the one I see online that's pretty close to it now is this one. I don't know if that's backwards or not, but it's only $29. When I got it, it had 6 products. The one that they have currently online now has 5. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and like I said, the one that I just showed you is what they have on sale now that's closest. So the one I got has the Origins Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and that's this. And I think this is actually the regular size that it is. So it's just a moisturizer, like kind of like a thick lotion. I really like to use this. For the person that asked about the primers, sometimes I just use moisturizer as my primer, so I have used just this as my primer. It also came with the Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum, and that's this. And it's just kind of like a clear serum. Like I said, I just put this on right here. It came with the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. Actually, all of these products that I just said, they are in the one that I just saw online that they have on sale now, or that they have available now. Also, the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I really like this face wash. It's very frothy. It's kind of like silky, has like a not hieroglyphic, I don't know, it's like a really pretty iridescent like white. Then this Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. I already had this in the big size because it says it's good for redness, and it's not a lotion, it's actually a liquid. Like if I pour this out, it's just a clear liquid, like it looks like water. But that's good to just like if I use, I'm not a skin professional, but like when I use like a exfoliant face wash, Then I just put this on because my face is pretty red after, so I just put that on after. And then this is the only thing that's not in the one that's available online right now. Mine also came with the high potency Nitamins resurfacing face cream with fruit derived AHAs, whatever that is. But again, this came in the full size as well. So like I said, if you're on a budget, it comes with 5 of the products I just said. They're kind of shaped a little different. As you can see, the ginseng moisturizer is in like a tube bottle, but it's only $29. And like I said, it's a great way to start your skincare routine if you're wanting to begin to take better care of your skin. Next, for my primers, like I said, I just use any moisturizers that I have. Some days it just depends. An actual primer that I really like is this e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I think this was only $6 or $8, but I really like it. It kind of leaves your skin tacky once you use it, once you put it on. Has a lot of product in it, and it was, like I said, $6 or $8. So this is a primer that I really like. It's great if you're on a budget. If you're not on a budget, I would still recommend this. Another moisturizer that I like, it's kind of like the Jelly Pop one, but it's not sticky. It just kind of like sinks into your skin. It's this one by Clinique. It's the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly Anti-Pollution. As you can see, it's like halfway gone. Really love this. Like I said, it just goes on clear. It sinks into your skin. It moisturizes your skin, but you can't even tell that you put anything on once you use this. I got this in another good like gift set. I believe it was $39. It came with this and like a mascara, 2 like makeup removers, an eyeliner, and I think that's it. But yeah, it was only $39 for that gift set. But anyway, so this was in that. This is a moisturizer that I really like. And another primer that I like is the Professional by Benefit Pore Primer. And to be honest, I'm not really picky with my primers. I don't really notice like the difference between primers, honestly. Whatever primer works best for you, or whatever moisturizer that you use, that's what I recommend. Another thing that I do to prime my skin when I'm gonna do my makeup is I just shave my mustache with this. It's the Flawless hair remover. So in today's video, I'm going to try out it's not new, it is older, but I just picked it up. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. The shade I got is Light Ivory. And as you can see, I already did my eyebrows before I started the video because I've done my eyebrows like in every video. So if you just want to see how I did that, go ahead and watch the other video, or go ahead and watch one of my other videos. Also, in today's video, for the first time, I'm going to try the Wet n Wild beauty sponge, and it came in this little box with the little bunny face. Once you get it wet, it does get pretty fat. It's so cute. It's like pink and fat and cute. So it says W and W there. I don't know if you can see. This side is flat and then the rest is just round. So I'm gonna use this for the first time today. Just gonna blend out that. Okay, so my first impression of the beauty sponge is that it blended out the concealer pretty good on my eyelid. I have no complaints about that. The concealer, it's all right for an eye shadow base. It looks like if I want to use it for actual concealer, I might have to go in, you know, with a heavy hand with that. But moving on to the eyeshadow, today I'm going to use the Morphe James Charles mini palette. I've used this on my channel before. If you haven't seen this palette, it looks like this. Has a mirror, really pretty colors, different range of colors. So to start out, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's like a good crease color. I did take out the plastic thing with the names because it was really annoying. so I don't know what the color is called. For the translucent or the transition shade, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Beat Up brush. It looks like this. And again, with your brushes, I believe you can just use it like however you want. Ever since I got it, I've just been using it for the transition and for all over, like, and for any other blending, to be honest. So okay, so as you can see, I already did this eye. This is my first time doing one eye completely and then just gonna do the other one. And it's I feel very weird right now. For 5 pairs, it's only $11.99 for really pretty lashes. So if you're on a budget, definitely recommend these. So to start out, I used this like bright red, like blood orange color. This is the time where I regret throwing away the plastic cover with the names, but the show must go on. So what I did was I just put this all over the lid. I packed it on. So for this, I'm using this, also one of my favorites. It's an old beat up Wet n Wild brush. It looks like this. You can see the size. It's a little short, fat blending brush. So I use that to pack on colors most of the time. So yeah, I'm just making sure I wipe off all the extra or excess color from the brush. This brush is stained, so but I wiped off most of that red color, and I'm just going to blend out the edges, just going like the end. I use light pressure to blend it up, and then I just blend out the edges of the color. Using light pressure, I just move my brush like this, and very light, just blend out this.
2 hours later.
Wiped off my brush, and then I used that color, the raspberry color, and I went in the crease with this. This is what I did with the other eye, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. Okay, and then I went in with the smaller brush and got more of that color and put it in the crease. And then I blend. It's all a process, really. Okay, and then I just use my finger to apply the glitter shade or the shimmery shade. Can you see it? A little bit, well, from the middle to the inner, so. And just keep applying. And then I just dab out the edge. Just tap the edge of it. And I put on some of the same shimmer color on the inner corner right here. A little bit extra, and then I just blended it out or up into the lid like that. I just grab my brush and go like that. And then what I do sometimes when I'm done putting on my lashes, if I think that the lashes cover up the color, I just put some more on so you can be able to see that color, and just lightly put it on there. And jelly, and I'm gonna use this today because my face is very dry, and as you can see, it's literally like a clear gel. I'm just gonna put that on my nose, my cheeks, because around my nose right here, it's very dry. So for today's foundation, for the first time, I'm gonna try out the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. And I got it in the color beige, or buff beige. So this one. And I've never used a stick foundation before, so I'm just kind of nervous. It just smells like foundation. Okay, since I already did my foundation on my forehead, I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild brush. I believe it is a little foundation or concealer brush. Rest out. I'm going to use the same one I always use, which is the Rimmel London Sun Bronze. And for that, I use this Wet n Wild brush. This is a bronzer brush. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Precious Petals Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and the shade is called Precious Petals. And for that, I use this Real Techniques brush. This is a highlighting brush, so it is a good, pretty affordable brush to use. I really like the Real Techniques brand. It's good for, it's good quality and it's not that expensive, so I really like Real Techniques. For my spray, for my setting spray, I'm going to use this facial mist. It's by the brand Bolero, and it's the Coconut Aloe Vera Facial Mist. And I got this from the Dollar Tree. Looks like this. In the middle. And get my neck. So for my lipstick, I'm going to use this Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Rosetto, and it's by Rimmel London. I got this at Target this weekend. It was only $4.99, and I thought it was a really pretty raspberry color, and I thought it would be pretty for Valentine's Day. So let's try this color out. It smells good too. So you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. My thoughts on the Photo Focus stick foundation is I really like it. Like I said, this shade was a little too light for me, but I made it work. But yeah, I really like how this look turned out. If you guys like how this look turned out, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Comment on this video if you're going to be trying out this look for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and thank you for watching.